Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left here, you're looking at one of our brand new styles. This is going to be a 4 glass door commercial refrigerator. Okay, so obviously you can use this for anything, for example, beverages, or maybe even sandwiches, anything you would like to place in here. This is going to be a commercial glass door refrigerator. Okay, as I mentioned, there's 4 glass doors. There's also glass display on both sides of the unit. Okay, on the front of the unit, we have our controls. You have your temperature control, you have a system switch and a lighting switch. Okay, so it does have lighting on the inside. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure the unit for you. You have an idea what this unit measures. For the length, you're looking at 102 inches, 102. For your depth, you're looking at 28 inches of the depth. And the overall height, you're going to be looking at a total of 78 inches high. 78. Okay, the unit does have wheels, casters on the bottom that are already installed. Okay, so that makes it easier for you. You want to go ahead and move it inside your business, makes it easier with those wheels. Okay, now let's go ahead and show you the inside. I'm going to go ahead and open up the doors. As you can see, we have our shelves on the inside. Okay, so you have a total of 4 plus another 4, which you're looking at 8 shelves in total for this unit. You also will be provided with an instruction manual. So if you have any questions or maybe don't know how to use the unit, there's a booklet with all the information on that. Okay, now inside measurements for this refrigerator, front to back, you're looking at about 17 inches, and just the shelf itself, you're looking at 14. Okay, now overall length on the shelf, you're looking at 49 inches. Okay, overall length on this unit, you're looking at a total of about 98 inches. Okay, and the overall height on the inside, you're looking at about 46 inches. Now, for these shelves, you can adjust them to whatever level you want them to be at. Okay, so if you don't like how they look or the size or the adjustments right now, you can go ahead and adjust them yourself to whatever level you want them to be at. Okay, now if you follow me over to the back, we'll show you the back of the unit. And on the back, you'll be able to locate your plug. This is a standard US plug for this unit. It runs on 110 volt. And on the very top of the unit, you'll be able to locate a sticker with all the specs regarding this unit, including your circuit diagram as well and your certification. Okay, so the unit is certified by the health department and certification is located on that sticker. Okay, there's a drain on the back, compressors on the back, on the bottom of this unit. And there's drains on the inside for this refrigerator as well. Okay, so this is going to be our 4 glass door unit with glass display on the sides as well. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. That is where we'll update more information regarding this unit, including the exact price for this unit. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call and we can help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.